It's a beautiful day in the QuickBooks space, a beautiful day in your business place. It's your bottom line, money and time. Since we're together, we might as well say, won't you be my QuickBooks neighbor?
Welcome back, and thanks for joining us for our next tip of the day with QuickBooks and more. So let's talk about using QuickBooks Online for more than one window. So let's take a look. So go to any activity, right click, and hit Open Link in New Tab. This is going to launch a new tab for you so that you can use multiple tabs at one time. So let's go ahead and do the same for expenses. Right click, Open Link in New Tab. And as you can see, I now have my banking information and I have my expenses tab, and I can go back and forth and work a lot faster and a lot more efficiently. So using multiple tabs in QBO is a great tool, and I hope you enjoyed this trick.